So right now I've just signed in into my Microsoft Teams account, and you can see that this is what you see. Right now I'm connected with no one, and in order to start working around with team, you do need to be connected out with other team members. So once you go around over here and once you sign in immediately, you can see that it says welcome to Teams right here, and there's an option over here to invite teammates. So I'm going to go around and click on invite people right here, and let's see what happens. So I can share an invite link right here or sync my mobile contact right here. So what I'm going to do is click on like share right here. So this is the team, as you can see right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around, and you can see I am signed in onto my second account right here. So what I'm simply going to do is paste and access that link right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and stick to the web version right here. So once I go around and do that, then what happens is that from my other account, you can see that it's opening up that particular link right here. So let me just dismiss this, and you can see that it says TutorTube YouTube channel is here. So now you can see that I'm actually connected. I can type in message and send to the other person right here, and there you go. You can see that now there's this other person right here that is from my second account. You can see that you can it says TutorTube second account wants to chat with you. So you have an option to block or accept them. So I'm just going to go around and accept this request, and you can see that you can start chatting back as well. We are going to cover up a lot more about collaborating and chatting options later down in the line as well in upcoming videos. So here you can see that now I'm connected with this very person, and you can see that in the recent section right here. And that is how you can invite people to Microsoft Teams and then start collaborating with them. And you can also go around and click on find and invite people over here again, and share invite link or sync your mobile device contacts right here to add in more team members over here as well. So from the chat section right here, even if you are not on the home page, you can see that you can find and invite people from over here. So that is how you can invite people to your Microsoft Teams and then start communicating with them, and you can start collaborating with them by once you're connected just like this. And we're going to talk about more of these collaboration options, like I said, in later videos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.